Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine, 5 premium glass bottles. Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine. Recreate the taste, experience and ambience of premium bar cocktails with the Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine. From the stylish touchpoints and effortless capsule latch to the LED light that highlights each cocktail as it's crafted, Bartesian Professional makes every drink an event. The beauty of Bartesian. The beauty of Bartesian Professional is that it's fast and easy to use, so anyone can craft a perfect cocktail in seconds. Simply insert a capsule in the machine, place the cocktail glass on the bar mat and choose the preferred strength from mocktail to strong. In seconds, Bartesian Professional draws the spirit from the appropriate bottle and crafts a fresh, delicious cocktail. To limit access to alcohol. To limit access to alcohol, the solid die-cast metal handle with key helps to secure the glass bottles in place. For less time cleaning and more time enjoying, Bartesian Professional automatically runs a rinse cycle to prevent the previous cocktail's ingredients from mixing with the next one. Includes 5 premium glass bottles to hold the spirits of your choice. Simple cocktail creation. Create endless craft cocktails in the comfort of home, no need to measure or pour. Just insert a capsule, place a glass on the bar mat and choose the preferred strength from mocktail to strong. The machine automatically draws the spirit from the appropriate bottle and crafts a perfect cocktail in seconds. Easy, intuitive menu selection. The intuitive rotary dial makes navigation simple. Once the capsule is inserted, the cocktail is immediately identified via barcode and the user-friendly LCD display suggests the proper glassware and provides strength options. Elegant, modern design with light. From the stylish touchpoints and effortless capsule latch to the LED light that highlights each cocktail as it's crafted, Bartesian Professional makes every drink an event. Bottle lock limits alcohol access. The solid die-cast metal handle with key helps to secure the glass bottles in place, limiting breakage and access to alcohol. Less time cleaning, more time enjoying. The automatic rinse minimizes cleaning and prevents the previous cocktail's ingredients from mixing with the next one. Capsules pop up with spring assistance for quick removal and glass bottles are dishwasher safe.